Okay, so tonight I will be reviewing my build. I haven't got everything right now, but I will update you as I go here. So this is the case I'm using from Corsair. Okay, right now I have my cooler taped so there's no stress on the cables here. Got it installed to the top of my case here. They're both pointing downwards here, so the air gets from the top of here. And I think this fan here is pointing this way, and I think this fan here is pointing this way, so I'm not sure how good the circulation will be. I guess we'll have to see. So chip, I got the chip for it obviously because I have the cooler. I have the FX-9590. So that's the processor I'm going to put in. I actually already stuck the sticker to my case. So yep, it looks a little bit thicker than the other FX series that I had of chips. So yeah, I'm not sure about the motherboard yet and the memory. So I think I picked out a power supply like an 860 watt or some shit like that. I forget now, but yeah, this is the box my processor came in. It's a huge thing. So yeah, there's my build. Some screws and shit that came with the case. You can see there's a lock right there. I got the keys for it, actually. I got these two black keys for it, for the case. So yep, that's it, I guess. So yeah, okay, so that ends the video. Like, subscribe, and I'll update you when I get my motherboard and my memory and the power supply. Maybe I get some LEDs in here, some strips, I'll see. Alright, peace.